Okay, guys. Today we're playing another silly game. What? He's taking the bills and...
Nothing like a good sandwich.
A sandwich? What do you mean sandwich? Oh! So apparently Thanos is eating everything. It's kind of actually really like silly actually. So like, what? So where's Thanos?
Nothing like a good sandwich.
No, not me! Not me! No! No!
On strike. You're out anyways.
Oh, it's a baseball bat. Okay. Where's Thanos? Super funny.
Thanos wins again.
No! He don't. Come on!
Robloxian.
Robloxian? What do you mean Robloxian? What? I don't understand. Okay, I guess. Oh, it's like airplane mode. Thanos is airplane mode. What? Ah! It's Thanos! No. Okay, Robloxian what? Let's shoot Thanos. Die, brother. Wait, what?
Hot and spicy.
Hot and
Just
spicy?
how I like it.
What?
You can run, but you can't hide.
You can run, but you can't hide. What do you mean? Hot sauce? Hot sauce?
Spicy.
Wait,
Just
now
how
that guy's hot sauce. So what's gonna? No, he's not a chicken nugget, bro. Why these people are so? Okay, I just died. This is so funny.
Spicy.
Hot and spicy. Hot and Oh, he just ate human nuggets. Get it? Human nuggets. Okay, got Thanos over there. Better we just get in first person. Okay. Hot and spicy. I'm so rich. I don't know what to do with all my money. Okay. Okay. A hot sauce. No, not me. No, it's me. No. This is so funny. Wow. Wow, okay. This is like so funny. Let's shoot Thanos, I guess. Yeah, yeet. Come on, shoot him. Yeah. It's airplane mode. Wait, is he coming for me? Yeah. Okay. Yeah, shoot Thanos. Go away. He just exploded. Okay. That's like 5,000 health. I mean, like 50,000 health. I mean, 60,000 health. Before he had 60,000 health, now he's at 50,000 health. Sandwich. Yay. Magnet in all the buildings and eating like a sandwich. Great. We're generating map, okay? Okay, just kill Thanos. Hot and spicy. You're burning? You're still so... Okay. That's burn. The Thanos is right over there, right? Yep. Okay. Now what are we gonna do, Thanos? Hot and baseball. You're gonna destroy everything, bro. You're not even eating it. You're destroying. No, not the sandwich. Not the sandwich. No. Ah! This is so funny. Oh, wow. He traded money. Okay. He's drinking it. He's drinking everything with the straw. Wow. That's a new move. Oh, now everything is on fire. Yay. Okay, what am I gonna do, Thanos? What is? I think I'm 2-4. I need to like chunks. Like, what is it doing? Is it like? Wait, what's that? Oh, he's doing a sandwich thingy. Okay, now what we're gonna do? Where are you, Thanos? Okay, okay. This is kind of intense, actually. No, the sandwich. No, no. So funny. So funny. Wow. Wow. This is super funny. What? Wait, what? No! I just became the hot sauce. Wow. Okay, I'll see you in the next video. So funny. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.